Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simpler Futures post-market review update on Monday to kick off the last full trading week of the year, Monday the 19th. And that is because next Monday the exchange has a holiday, so we're off next Monday. And I did the end of week wrap up review kind of on Friday and gave you a level down here to look at if we got any more selling. And it was 38.20 on. There's a big balance HVN right there. Didn't quite get there today, but it's only Monday and it got pretty close. And so I'll do you one in addition to that. I'll give you a reminder of that balance HVN at 38.20 and then point to this 618 retrace from the recent swing low of October to the recent swing high of the test of that 4180 up there. So the halfback is right here at 38.60. Spent the better part of the morning right there. Tested a little bit through Friday's low, not much. So you got bear targets down here, 38.20 and 37.85. Those are the two on the downside. So it wouldn't surprise me at all to see that 38.20 hold and bounce. That wouldn't surprise me a bit. Now, to do that and start retaking on an uptick back through this 38.60 level right here, then I want you looking for last week's point of control, which is 39.30, which is also the 382 level up here as well. And the weekly pivot is up here at 39.70. So 39.30 and 70 are the bull targets up here. 38.60 is pretty much the line in the sand. That's the halfback on the fibs on the daily. That's today's point of control. Then you got this support, could be 38.20, and if not, then 37.85. So bear targets 38.20 and 37.85. One of these bounces and starts retaking that 38.60, then you're in bull mode looking for 39.30 and 39.70. That's short and sweet. That's what that is. Not much on the calendar this week. I looked. It's pretty slow on the news front this week. Pretty slow on the expected move also, and the applied volatility pretty much, pretty slow there. Low IV, small expected moves like 80 points, maybe tip to toe, plus or minus 80 for the week. So not a lot. And that's it. So I'll be back with you on Wednesday and see what this thing's doing. My anticipation is it's going to reach down here and hit about 20 and bounce. But you'll know if it does when it's starting to uptake back through this 38.60 level, and then you just go into bull mode looking for those 39, 30, and 70 targets up there. Okay? Short and sweet. Take care. Good trading. See you again on Wednesday. See what's going on at that time.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me